How to repost story on Instagram if not tagged. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step tutorial. So if you would like this, then keep watching and I will show you how to do this for both a friend and a celebrity, for example. So I'm going to go over here and so I'll just click on this story and it's very easy with a picture because you can just simply screenshot it just like that. But I'll show you guys it with a video. Right over here, let's say this video. Now keep in mind what the name of the account is. Then what you want to go to is your browser. Go to storysafer.net, and once you are here, you want to type in that person's account name. Now click on download just like that. Click on I'm not a robot. You have to do the CAPTCHA and then verify. Now keep in mind that I believe this site cannot access stories of private accounts. So if your friend has a private account, this is, I believe, not possible. But for open accounts, it is. So this is the video that I would like to download. I'll just click on save video, click on download just like that. Here is the downloads button or the download section. Open this up, click the video. And now it is downloaded on my phone, but it's not actually my photos. So I'll just click on the share button in the bottom left corner. Then click on save video right here. Once you've done that, you want to go all the way back to your profile. You want to add something to your story, of course. So I'll just click on there. And now the video has popped up over here. So what I can now do is keep it just like this. This person actually has tagged some people, which I can now not click on because I obviously downloaded the video. But now it looks like the exact video, but on my story. Now, if you repost a story from someone else, it's usually pretty nice to, for example, add that account so that people know it is actually from there and not yours. So this is how to repost story on Instagram if not tagged.